Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make pumpkin soup. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. We start with putting in a blender a pumpkin. We cut it into smaller pieces. Next is an orange juice. Some sweetener. I will use agave syrup. And at the end some spices. Cardamom, some ginger, some black pepper, and some non-iodized salt. We mix everything together. We put our soup in a bowl. Now we have to put some nuts in a blender. No matter which we will choose, they have to soak for at least 8-9 hours to get rid of the phytic acid. Now some water. We mix everything together. It is best to mix it precisely so it has a consistency of a cream. We put a cream in a soup and it's ready. Bon appetit!